Listen, October's here, and I'll tell you straight up, most people, they're gonna waste the next 3 months scrolling, partying, saying, I'll start in January. But what if you didn't? What if you use October, November, December as your winter arc? Like actually disappearing for 90 days to rebuild yourself. So when January 2026 hits, you're not starting over, you're already ahead. Think about it. Winter's quiet, cold mornings, dark evenings, people slow down, and that's exactly why it's perfect. Everyone else hibernates. You train, you read, you build, you do the boring stuff that nobody claps for. That's the winter arc. Silence, discipline, grinding when no one's watching. And here's the best part. October to December, that's the reset button. By the time everyone else wakes up in January, you'll already be transformed. So here's the deal. Pick one thing, one skill, one habit, and just show up for it. Every single day till December 31st. No excuses. No waiting for the new year, new me. Because January 1st is not your start date. It's your reveal date. Most people will enter 2026 the same way they left 2025. But not you. Not if you take this seriously. And if you're wondering how to actually push through when it gets hard, that's what my next video is about. The art of trying. Go watch it.